Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have for you a beautiful new DIY that you can recreate for yourselves. As always, my DIYs are simple, affordable, and easy to recreate. So if you're interested in seeing what I have in store for you today, just keep on watching. I'll be starting off with this old hand soap box that I have from a previous purchase, and I'm just going to paint it with some white craft paint. Once the white paint's dried, I'm going to go back in with some metallic gold craft paint. This silver bag is from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to be cutting it into pieces to line the back of my project. Next, I'll be using this Glam rope that I picked up from Amazon. I'm going to be lining the project with this gold bling ribbon from Amazon. For symmetry, I'm going to be going back in with that same Glam rope that I used previously. Right here, I'm just adding some more of that bling ribbon to the bottom, and yeah. And here's what it looks like. I really love it. What do you guys think? And so guys, that is it. That's all that I have for you today. An amazing new DIY that you can recreate for yourselves. I hope that you've enjoyed this little DIY because I really did enjoy making it for you. If you have, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, as well as making sure you're subscribed to the channel and hitting that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!